Here are the list of 5 free online spreadsheet apps.
1.
Number 1. Google Sheets. Here are some good points of this one. Free with tons of templates. Collaboration with real-time editing and chat. Compatible with Excel. Here are some bad points of this one. Not as many features as Excel. If you're used to Excel, some formulas and functions are different. You can check out the link in description box.
2.
Number 2. Zoho Sheet. Here are some good points of this one. Free. Available for iOS and Android. Saves files in Excel format. Real-time collaboration with version control. Here are some bad points of this one. Few ways to customize the interface. Interface looks a bit dated. You can check out the link in description box. Also, if you are enjoying it, then please like this video.
3.
Number 3. Numbers. Here are some good points of this one. Free. Runs on Windows and Mac. Share spreadsheets using a link. Real-time editing and collaboration. Here are some bad points of this one. Must use iCloud Drive. Non-standard spreadsheet format may confuse accountants. You can check out the link in description box.
4.
Number 4. Smartsheet. Here are some good points of this one. Many third-party applications. Available on many platforms, including Linux and Chrome. Mobile apps also available. Here are some bad points of this one. Free for 30 days, then buy a monthly plan. The cheapest solution is $14 a month. You can check out the link in description box.
5.
Number 5. Airtable. Here are some good points of this one. Functions as a spreadsheet, project manager, or database. Drag and drop files into Spreadsheet. Calendar and gallery functions. Here are some bad points of this one. Must subscribe to get all features. Cumbersome to create worksheets. You can check out the link in description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the red subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future updates from this channel.